We have about 700,000 square feet of manufacturing space across the U.S. We do that to service our customers in the locations that they are, but there's also technologies that are more prevalent in one location than the other. We have facilities that manufacture a lot of spine pedicle screws, in extremely high volumes, millions of parts per year. We also do a lot of other spine technologies, whether it's made out of polymers or, in this case, PEEK with a titanium component to that. There's some assembly work that's required in a lot of these components. So we have large teams in place to do not only making the part, but assembling the entire unit that's ready and fit for service right when it leaves our factory.